Hello and welcome to Entrant. I hope you all are doing great at your homes and are safe. Today we are going to start with the second part of this seventh chapter, that is Time Goes On. So let's get started. So here we will look at some tricks on magic in our calendars. Okay, so if we consider this box, okay, so which is the number in the center of the box? We can see the number is 13, right? Join three numbers by drawing a line. But remember to include the middle number, okay? And we can draw such lines as well, right? Add the three numbers on each of these lines. What do we get? 13 plus 21 plus 5. 4 plus 5, 9 and 3, okay? 39, 6, 13, 20, 9, 39. So after adding, you will see that all these lines, all these numbers in each of the lines add up to 39. Okay, you didn't know this trick, right? I assume. So it's really interesting. The second trick we will look at. So if this is the calendar of March 2019, here we will take the column with 5 numbers, 5 dates. Okay, now we, instead of adding these 5 numbers, what we will do, take the middle number and multiply it with 5. Okay, so what we will get? 75, right? Now instead of adding all these numbers, we just got this, right? Similarly, this column also has 5 numbers. Take 16, multiply it with 5 and we will get 80. And you can cross check it by adding these numbers. So this is a faster and interesting trick, right? Now the same thing happens with diagonals as well. So if we take this diagonal with 5 digits, the same trick will apply. 13 into 5, right? The same trick will apply on this diagonal as well, okay? But remember, it has to be 5 digits, okay? Tell your parents about it. I am sure even they won't know this and you will enjoy telling them. Okay, let's move on. Now we have to complete this calendar for August 2018. 1st August is on Wednesday. 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And remember, August has 31 days. So here, okay. Now answer these questions. Color all the Sundays in red. So I'm using red ink already. So I will color it with blue. Okay. Color these in blue or red, whichever color you like. Okay. On which day does this month end? It ends on Friday, right? Because 31st August is on Friday here, right? Write the number of days in this month, 31, right? What day is it on 13th August? 13th August is here and it is Monday, right? Easy. What is the date on the second Saturday? So this is the first Saturday and this is the second Saturday. So it is 11th August. Is the 21st a Sunday? 21st is here. No, 21st is not a Sunday, it is Tuesday, right? What is the day on the 29th? Day is Wednesday. Here. Okay. The answer to this is Wednesday. What will be the date on the same day next week? Same day, so Wednesday, but next week, right? So it will be September, right? So just do this little thing. We end August on Friday. On Saturday it is 1st September. Sunday 2nd September. Monday 3rd. Tuesday 4th. Wednesday 5th. We had to find at which date will Wednesday fall, right? Next week, right? So after 29, the next week, when Wednesday will fall, will be 5th September. Can you tell me what is on 5th September? Which celebration, which festival? Teachers' Day, right? Okay. How many Thursdays are there in this month? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5. Okay, this was very easy. I'm sure you got it. Let's move forward. So here we will look at the life of Kusum. Okay. So we just have to see the clock and tell what time is it, or time is given, we have to draw the clock for it. Okay. Are you ready? This is very interesting. Okay. Kusum gets up early in the morning. This is the hour hand is at 6 and the minute hand is at 12. So that is 6 a.m. Why a.m.? Because a.m. is morning, before noon. So she got up in the morning, right? Now, at 6:30 in the morning, she brings water from the well. She's so hardworking, right? We need everything on bed, but Kusum does everything on her own, right? So, at 6:30 in the morning, she goes to the well. So the hour hand will be at 6, and the minute hand will also be around 6. Okay, so this will be the case overlapping. If it is exact 6:30, it will overlap at 6. Okay, because hour hand is at 6, that means 6, and minute hand is at 6, that means 30, right? Okay, what time is this? So the hour hand is at 7 and the minute hand is at 6. At this time, she cleans her house. She is really, really hardworking, okay? We all should learn something from Kusum. So, 7:30, right? Because our hand is at 7 and minute hand is at 6. So, that means 7:30 a.m. a.m. is still going on because it is still morning. Okay, at 8 o'clock in the morning, she goes to school. So, our hand will be at 8 and minute hand will be at 12, right? I hope it's clear. Now, at this time, she is studying in school. What time is it? Our hand is at 10 and minute hand is at 12. That is 10 a.m. or 10 o'clock, right? This is the situation. 10, 12, hour hand at 10, minute hand at 12. Okay. At 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Now it is PM, right? Afternoon. After 12 in the afternoon, it is all PM. She comes back from school. So 1 o'clock. How do we do it? Hour hand at 1 and minute hand at 12, right? What time is this? She takes lunch with her brother and grandmother. Hour hand at 2 and minute hand at 12. So that is 2 p.m. or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. At 5:30 in the evening, she plays with her friends. Okay. Hour hand at 5 and minute hand at 6. I will draw here. 5, 6. Just a second. Okay. Here we have 5, here we have 6. So hour hand at 5 and minute hand at 6 will give us 5:30 in the evening or 5 p.m. At 9 o'clock at night, she sleeps. When do you guys sleep? 9 is our dinner time, right? But Kusum is sleeping at 9. Wow, right? So at 9, she listens to a story from her grandmother before she sleeps. She is at bed, on her bed, okay? So 9 o'clock at 9. How do we draw it? Hour hand at 9 and minute hand at 12 will give us 9 o'clock, 9 p.m., right? At night. So I hope this is all clear to you guys. Keep practicing and keep looking out for more videos. Thank you.